Welcome to DisplayBly.com.
Today we are going to introduce an assembly process of LCD module hybrid structure for industry control equipment. First, remove the protection film from the top of the LED backlight and the protection film from the bottom of the LCD screen and assemble them together by hand. Second, solder the FPC of the LCD panel onto the PCB with tin. Third, remove the release paper of the double-side tape from the LED backlight and assemble the COG LCD module and the PCB together. Fourth, wipe out the extra tin from the PCB with industrial alcohol. Fifth, put a high-temperature proof adhesive tape onto the junction of the FPC and the PCB. Sixth, remove the protection film from the LCD panel and attach it onto the surface of the metal frame. Insert the 4 legs of the metal frame into the holes of the PCB and fixate them. Seventh, quality test and visual inspection. Eighth, labeling and packing.
Thank you for watching, and contact us if you have any questions.